Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I got a fun little video for you. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Ryobi HP impact driver. And we'll do a quick test for you, go over the specs and features, let you know if it's worth 130 bucks or not. Stick around the end, guys. You're not going to want to miss this one. Hit that intro. Alright, let's jump right into it, guys. So I decided to get the tools separately so I can get the extra batteries. My battery's a little bit older, they kind of need to be replaced. You know, they don't hold a charge quite as long as they should, considering they're from 2014 maybe, so 6 years old. This is the impact driver kit, model P as in Paul, S as in Sam, B as in boy, I as in India, D as in Delta, 01, K as in Kilo. 18 volt, HP, brushless, compact impact driver. That's a freaking mouthful. They say it is 23% smaller. Yeah, they say it's 23% less weight and 26% compact. So they're comparing this, guys, to the brushed version that has the black anvil on it. They're not comparing this to the P236. I don't know what the model number is. I'll throw a picture out here. So that's what they're comparing this to. And that impact driver is kind of big. It's a little bit longer than the P236, so it's kind of funny that they pick their biggest impact to compare it to. I don't know, I just think it's funny how they rate these things. Oh, yeah, it's 20% lighter, 60% bigger and smaller, to this old drill from 1993 that nobody uses anymore that's this big. Box it, guys, look, no tape this time. Make sure it's always sealed up. Just like the last one, I assume. Ooh, there she is. Nice. Hopefully it works. Got another bag. Anybody want to buy a bag? I got a couple of them now. Batteries, going, and then just instructions, and that's it, guys. You know how it goes. Pretty straightforward. The exact same thing as a rigid, guys. I might put these head to head, and we'll see if I can get 250 likes on this video. I will do the Ryobi new impact against the rigid new subcompact, okay? We got the standard slow charger, 2 batteries, and there you go. I decided to buy each one of these separately, so that way I get the 4 batteries. I like these new batteries, because all my old batteries need to be replaced. They're ancient. I mean, they still work, but they're just very old. They're starting to not hold a charge as long as they should. There it is, in all its tooly goodness. Ooh. Turn it up to 4K. Check out all the tooly, detaily goodness. You can see how the Ryobi is raised. It's kind of slick. Even on the back, see how it's raised? Nice. Now that the unboxing is done, we'll go over the specs real quick, let you know the different features of it. So right off the bat, the impact driver is just variable speed trigger. There are no settings. There's no 1, 2, 3. There's no high, low. Like the impact wrench has 1, 2, 3 and auto. This has nothing. It's just the trigger, which kind of is a bummer. I wish it had the settings. I like the settings. It says it's 5.3 inches long from the collet to the back. It's brushless motor, 1,700 inch-pounds of torque, 2,900 RPMs, one-handed bit release. So it shoots out the bit. Big deal. Well, most of them do that. Onboard LED, big whoop. I feel like just because they put an LED on it, didn't make a big deal out of it. Oh, it's got an LED! Anyways, what did I say? How much does it weigh? I thought it said it gave me the weight. Well, let's weigh it up, guys. Let's see what you got. Bare tool. I put the belt clip from my other Ryobi. They don't come with belt clips, guys. It's like, what the hell? Stop being cheap. £2 pounds, 13 ounces. Let's weigh the drill. 3 pounds, 1 ounce. So that's pretty light. It's pretty comparable to the Ryobi subcompact, the Makita subcompact. What else? It's very comfortable. I'll give them that. It's got the nice rubber overmold grip. It's very grippy. It's got this little hex pattern on it. I showed you in my previous video. If you want to check it out, I'll put a card right here. You can go check that video out of the unboxing of this one and the freaking catastrophe I had with that card. Check it out. It's pretty funny. All right, let's do some fasteners. I think I got a couple. I got 2-inch fasteners. I got some 3-inch, and then I think I got some 5-inch specs. Just quick test, and then we'll. All right, 2 5-inch specs. We'll time it just for fun. Sorry if it's windy out here, guys. Ready? Go. These are just some 2.5-inch construction screws. This is a 6x6 pressure treated post, if I forgot to say that. Not too bad. One more. See if we get a good reading on this one. So 120, that's pretty freaking loud, but yet I'm right next to it. Let's see if we can get a reading a little further away. You guys see this here? We'll do this a little bit further away. See if you guys can see the decibels on this one. Ready? All right, highest reading was 111 decibels, which is a lot less than when I had it right next to it. Right next to it was at 120, so that's a 9 decibel difference from about a foot away. You know, what do you think this is? From right there to there, that's about a foot. Yeah. That's one thing I've always noticed about Ryobi. Their impacts are a little bit louder than the competitors. I've noticed that. There you go, guys. There's my quick little demonstration of the Ryobi PSBID01CN variable speed trigger impact driver. The kit 129 at Home Depot. I'll put a link down below. It's not a bad little impact, guys. Don't expect to drill in huge fasteners or big leg bolts, but you know, deck screws all day long, no problem. It's light. What I say, it was just right a smidge under 3 pounds. You know, it doesn't pull your pants down. I like that. Check the temp. It's pretty cool out. I don't think it got very hot. Just doing those few screws. 79 degrees. We call it. Yeah, 65 degrees. It didn't get hot at all. 70. The hottest part I think is 80 degrees. It got right here on the housing is about 80. Let me know, guys, if you want to see this against the new rigid subcompact. If I get like 250 likes, I will do the head-to-head on that. That'll be a fun video. Also, I'll do the head-to-head on the Ryobi against the rigid. And I also got this is the Chemo's subcompact drill. I'll put that up against one of these two as well. The winner can face Chemo. Also the Makita subcompact too. We're gonna compare all the subcompact drills that I have. Yeah, guys, leave your comments down below. Let me know if you've had issues with these new subcompact tools. Like you saw in my other video, how this one almost started on fire. Hit the like button, hit the notification so you don't miss out on my future content. I got lots of good videos coming up, guys. Like I said, like this video, get up to 250 likes, we'll do the head-to-head against the Rigid. Go check out my other channel, Al's Random Blog, just mostly car audio stuff. Go check out Instagram, it's making stuff and breaking stuff at Instagram. I'll put it down, all the links will be down below, guys. That being said, guys, have a blessed day, much love. Thank you, I got the best freaking subscribers in the world. I love interacting with you guys. See ya!